In this lesson, we are going to focus on the long vowel sounds for O, U, and E. Let's look at this first sound card. In prior lessons, we have learned the short O sound, which says ah. Today, we are going to talk about the long O sound, which says its name, O, like in ocean. It can be spelled a few different ways. Let's look here. It can be spelled with just the letter O, O consonant E, O A, O W, or O E. Let's look at the next sound card. In prior lessons, we have learned the short E sound, which says eh. Today, we are going to talk about the long E sound, which says its name, E, like in eagle. There are also a few different ways to spell the long E sound. E, E consonant E, 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 A, Y, I, E, Y. Let's look at the last sound card. In prior lessons, we have learned that the short U sound says uh. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the long U sound, which says its name, U, like in uniform. There are also several ways to spell the long U sound. U, U consonant E, which sometimes we call the magic E because we don't hear the E, UE, and EW.